The Tortoise and the Bird. Once upon a time, a tortoise was resting under a tree on which a bird had built its nest. The tortoise mocked the bird and said,
Your home is so shabby. It is made of broken twigs, has no roof, and looks raw. What's worse is that you had to build it yourself. I think my house, which is my shell, is much better than your pathetic nest.
The bird confidently, therefore, replied,
Yes. It is made of broken sticks, looks shabby, and is open to the elements of nature. It is crude and raw, but I built it, and I like it.
I guess it's just like any other nest, but not better than mine, said the tortoise mockingly. You must be jealous of my shell, though, he added.
The bird remained calm for a while and then replied, On the contrary, my home has space for my family and friends. Your shell does not let anyone else stay in it other than you. You may have a better house, but I have a better home.
Moral of the story: a crowded hut is better than a lonely kingdom.